This is Janae and I'm back with a new video. Today I am doing an unboxing of some items that I got from my boutique, Janae's Closet, and I just want to share those with you. So this will be my first time seeing what they look. These are my samples, so I'm so excited to see what they look, because pretty soon I will be doing a summer dress try on. Yes, getting the ladies prepped and ready for this summer, because that is like the best time of the year, of course. So like around May, June-ish, I will be doing a summer dress try on. So here we go with the unboxing of these items. This is cute. Okay, so how it looks. Okay, so in the inside, as you can see, has a zipper pocket. And two pockets that you can shove stuff in, okay? Like your money, your receipts, anything. So small little pocket there, or like a small wallet or your cell phone. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty deep, so that's cute. And we also have the matching dress to go with it, of course, as well. So you get matching sets. Okay, so this is I believe the Black Queen Bodycon dress. So let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so this is a black lady, yeah. This is the Black Queen bodycon dress, and on the back, as you can see, it looks like, oh, it looks just like this. So that's one of the mini dresses that we have available. And we also have the tote bag, the crossbody bag, as well as hoodie and jacket to go along with that bodycon dress as well. And I think it's super cute because it's a Black Queen as a playing card. And I was just like, oh, it's just so cute. Moving on. Okay, so this is our Scarlet Kiss cropped Windbreaker jacket, I think. Okay, so this is how this looks. It is a cropped Windbreaker jacket. Black Queen. And this is supposed to be her lips right here. Yeah. And it has like the flow of flesh, the little net lining for the hood. Oh, we like that the A is the shape of Africa, okay? Really love that. That's is so cute. And it's part of the Scarlet Kiss collection, which we have the crop windbreakers, we have a twisted crop tops, and as well as the hoodies that match this are all a part of the Scarlet Kiss collection at Janae's Closet. For the little girls, they're for the little girls. So this is Girl Boss. Shirt. This is Girl Boss. For the little prima donnas, little diva in your life, who I fuck with. And this is how it looks. Yeah, how it looks in the back. The hoodie. So I have the t-shirt and the hoodie for the Girl Boss collection. Girl Boss. And it has a little crown because they're a little princess. Like the dual pockets. And how it looks in the back. Again, this is part of the Girl Boss collection at Janae's Closet. And last but not least, so just like the dress I showed earlier, this is the bomber jacket that goes along with the Black Queen card dress. How it looks. And if you see on the back, she is a queen. I think she's a spade. Not really a queen, a card player, but I think that's a spade. But yeah. Yeah. So that is all the items from my unboxing that I'm doing today. And you can find all of those items at my website at janaesclosetshop.com. We have fly urban apparel for your unique style. And what you'll see and what makes us unique is that we have urban streetwear, that these are looks that you've never seen anywhere else, and that's the way I want it. It's all about being unique and like standing out from the crowd, not trying to fit in and just being, who you are, and just, adding some style and some flair to your life. Right now, if you visit today, you can get 15% off your first order using the promo code NEWSUB15. Using the promo code NEWSUB15. In a couple more months, I will be doing 50% off summer sales to get you guys prepped and ready for the summer. And there'll be 50% off of everything. And we're adding new stuff to the site all the time, so you're bound to find something that you absolutely love. And I don't just sell clothes, it's purses, it's hats, it's jewelry, like these rings, these earrings. So it's a platitude of enormous wide selection of things. We got shoes. We even have things for your home, like shower curtains, bedspreads. We have even canvas prints to decorate your walls in your home. So it's just a variety of different things that you can find at Janae's Closet. So, take a look. I'm pretty sure you'll find something for yourself, a loved one, your kids. This is Janae. And I just wanted to say, have a great weekend. Thank you.